amid this huge Middle Eastern crisis where the supreme leader of Iran was martyred by the US and the Israeli forces, which led to an eventual consequences not only for Israel, Middle East, but for the rest of the world, as Iranian significant authorities, in consensus with their nation, blockaded the Strait of Hormuz. The same Strait of Hormuz, which facilitates the trade of more than 20% of crude or Brent oil for daily world. And those consequences have also been suffered by Pakistan, who relies on 80% of oil importation every month. Pakistan, whose daily oil consumption is around 4,20,000 to 4,80,000 barrels of petroleum solely, has been deprived of that petrol or oil usages solely because Strait of Hormuz and the international exportation and trade of oil is adversely affected due to these Middle Eastern crises. In this particular context, the National Assembly Secretariat has taken a new initiative where they did not only cut 25% of the salaries of member of National Assemblies, but those officers who are those gazetted officers who are working in the administrative staff and Secretariat of National Assembly of Pakistan and are above 20 BPS grade, their salaries are also going to be deducted for 2 days every month until this crisis is relaxed, and that money is going to be submitted in the national exchequer or treasury of Pakistan. Moreover, another decision that accompanied this 25% salary deduction was that around 80% of the administrative or secretariat staff is going to work from home, and only 20% will come or report to the National Assembly vicinity and premises. But these 80% and 20% ratio is going to be on a roster or rotational mode, where 80% of people or administrative staff is going to work from home and 20% on rotational basis will come in the vicinity of National Assembly and will execute their tasks given to them daily. Moreover, the austerity measures that were taken by the government of Pakistan in this regard also includes the fuel conservation of the administrative or secretariat staff, and for the member of National Assemblies, in regard that the government of Pakistan, which provided them a specific amount of petrol for their cars and vehicles to work, that has been restricted because of the fact that they are not coming to the vicinity of the offices, or they are not coming to the National Assembly physically. So the fuel conservation was another mode of restricting the usage of oil or petroleum on daily basis. Lastly, the bigger transportation activities that used to facilitate the working and the daily lives of the National Assembly and its business has also been prevented and constrained to a greater extent, and only day-to-day requirements are fulfilled by the logistical cells and the transportation department of the assembly, that again which operates on the fuel, and this is again an indirect method of the government of Pakistan to restrain the usage of oil or petrol more and more, so to curb down the crisis and wait for the Middle Eastern crisis to relax and the revival of the gateway of Strait of Hormuz, which can actually bring relaxation to this entire region. What do you think that the steps taken by government of Pakistan in this regard, do they convey a message or do they create an impact in this regard? We are eager to hear your opinion or guesses in this regard in the comment section below.